The first value is x minus 2y equals 8, x plus y equals 5. Gagamitin natin dito na algebraic method is a substitution method. Para magkaroon ng value yung x, lipat natin yung negative 2y sa kabila. Will be x equals 8 plus 2y. Then copy the second equation. X plus y equals 5. Then copy the value of x of the first equation. X equals 8 plus 2y. And then substitute natin yung value ng x. Will be 8 plus 2y plus y equals 5. And then, pag-copy natin yung may variable sa without the variable. Without the variable, lipat natin sa kabilang side. Will be 3y equals 5 minus 8. And then 3y equals negative 3. Divide both sides by 3. Value of the y is negative 1. Di meron na tayong isang value. Then, pili lang tayo sa equation 1 and 2. Ang napili natin is yung equation number 2. Copy lang natin yon. X plus y equals 5. And then copy the value of y will be y minus negative 1. And then x plus negative 1 equals 5. Then lipat lang natin yung constant sa kabilang side. Will be x equals 5 plus 1. Then ang value ng x is 6. Then compute natin then solve natin using calculator. On natin yung calculator. Select the mode. Then select the 5 and press 1. Then enter natin ng mga constant number. The first one is negative 1 equals, negative 2 equals, and 8 and equals. Then the second equation, 1 equals 1 equals 5 equals. Then the value of x is 6 and y is negative 1. It's same without calculator or using calculator. The equation is 3x plus 4y equals negative 4x plus 2y equals 2. Then, gamitin natin na substitution method. Lipat natin yung second equation sa kabilang side, yung may constant. X equals negative 2y plus 2. Then, copy the first equation. Then, x equals to 2 minus 2y. And then, distribute lang natin yung value ng x sa first equation. 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2y plus 4y equals negative 4. Distribute lang natin yung 3. Then, 6. Distribute lang natin yung 3. Then, 6 minus 6y plus 4y equals negative 4. Then, pagsamahan natin yung may variable and without the variable. Yung without variable, lipat lang natin sa left side. Sa right side pala. Then, negative 2y equals negative 4. Diba? And negative 6. 2y equals negative 10. Divide both sides by negative 2. Then the value of y is 5. Then may value na tayo ng isang variable. Pili lang tayo sa isang equation diyan. The first equation and second equation. Ang napili ang first equation. 3x plus 4y equals negative 4. And the value of y is 5. Distribute lang natin yung 5 sa y. 3x plus 4 multiplied by 5 equals negative 4. Then 3x plus 20 equals negative 4. Then, lipat lang natin sa kabila yung 20. 3x equals negative 4 minus 20. Then, 3x equals negative 24. Divide both sides by 3. And the value of x is x equals negative 8. Enter the mode, select 5, enter 1. Then, enter natin yung first equation. 3 equals 4 equals and negative 4 equals. Then, second equation. 1 equals 2 equals 2 equals. Then, the value of x is negative 8 and value of y is 5. Same the without calculator. And next, the equation is 3x plus 2y equals 14 and 4x plus 5y equals to 1. Then, both sides, multiply natin sa 4 and 3. Yung first equation, multiply natin sa 4. Ang gagamitin pala natin dito ay yung elimination method. And then yung 3, multiply natin sa second equation. And then, distribute na natin yung 4 sa first equation will be 12x. The 12x plus 8y equals 56. Then, second equation natin, distribute na natin yung 3 will be 12x plus 15y equals 63. Then, copy lang na ulit natin para mayroon tayo ma-eliminate na isang variable. Copy the second equation. Cancel 12x. 12x minus 12x is 0. Then 8 minus 8y minus 15y will be negative 7y equals 56 minus 63 is negative 7. and then divide both sides by -7. Cancel -7 will be y equals 1. And then, balik tayo sa equation 1 and equation 2. Kasi may value na tayo ng isa sa mga variable. And then, 3x plus 2y equals 14. Yung first equation ang napili natin. Then, the value of y is 1. Distribute lang natin yung y sa equation 1. 3x plus 2 times 1 equals 14. Then, 3x plus 2 equals 14. Then, lipat lang natin sa kabilang side yung 2. Will be 3x equals 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2 is 12. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel 3. And the value of x is 4. Then, x will be 4 and then compute na natin with calculator. Select on, press the mode, press the 5 and 1. So, enter na natin yung equation 1. 3 equals 2 equals 1. 14 equals. Then equation 2. 4 equals 5 equals 21 equals. Then the value of x is 4 and y is 1. Then talks about using algebraic method, the 3 variables. Using the elimination method will be the equation 1 and equation 2. Solve muna natin yan. Then copy the equation 1 and equation 2. Negative 4x plus 3y plus 7c equals 25. Then, copy natin equation 2. 2x minus y plus 6a equals 17. Para meron tayong matanggal na isang variable, ito times natin yung second equation sa negative 2 will be negative 4x plus 2y minus 12z equals negative 34. Then copy the first equation. 4x plus 3y plus 7z equals 25. Then minus na natin. Cancel the negative 4x, both equation 1 and equation 2. Then 3y minus 2y will be y. Then 7 minus negative 12y will be 19c equals 25 minus negative 34 will be 59. Then next is the equation 2 and equation 3. Gagamitin natin ng elimination method. Ito pala ay ang ating equation. Tawagin na natin equation number 4. Then, copy natin yung equation 2 and equation 3. The 2x minus y plus 6a equals 17. Then, copy natin equation 3. Negative 8x minus 5y plus 3c equals negative 15. Para may makancel na variable, ang ginamit natin, ang kinancel natin doon is x, then kakancel natin dito ay yung x. The second equation, may times natin sa negative 4 para ma-cancel natin yung x. Therefore, the equation 2 is negative 8x plus 4y minus 24c equals 17 times negative 4 is negative 68. Then copy the third equation. Negative 8x minus 5y plus 3c equals negative 15. Then, pag minusin na natin the equation 2 and equation 3, cancel negative 8x. Then, 9y minus 27c. Then, negative 68 minus negative 15 will be typo error. 5 pala yun. 5, negative 68 minus negative 5 will be negative 63. Then, pagin natin itong equation 5. Then, para meron ko tayong makuha pang isang variable, para makancel pa isang variable, gamitin natin equation 4 and equation 5. Copy natin yan. Y plus 19c equals 59. Then, copy the equation 5. 9y minus 27c equals negative 63. Then, multiply natin sa dito, ginamit natin ang substitution method. Yung 19c, ilipat natin sa kabila, will be y equals 59 minus 19c. Then, copy natin yung fifth equation. 9y minus 27c equals 63. Then, substitute lang natin yung value ng y. Ang value ng y is 59 minus 19c. Then, 9 times 59 minus 19c minus 27 equals negative 63. Then, i-multiply natin yung 9 sa 59 and negative 19c. 59 times 9 will be 531 minus 19 times 9 is 171. Then, c minus 27c equals negative 63. Pagsamahin natin yung with variable and without the variable. Yung 153, lipat natin sa kabilang side. Therefore, negative 171c minus 27 equals negative 63 minus 531. Then, negative 171 c minus 27 c will be 198 c equals Negative 63 minus 531 equals 594. Divide both sides by negative 198. Cancel negative 198, say is equal to 3. Say equals to 3. Then may value na tayo ng isang variable. Will be the say equals to 3. Then balik tayo sa equation 4 and equation 5. Pili lang tayo sa isa. Kung alin yung pinakamadali, yun yung piliin natin. Then, mapili natin ang equation number 4. Copy natin yon. Y plus 19 say equals 59. And the value of say is 3. Y plus 19 times 3 equals 59. Y 19 times 3 will be 57 equals 59. Then, yung 57, lipat lang natin sa kabilang side. So, then, therefore, y equals to 59 minus 57. Then, y equals 2. Then, meron na tayong equation sa dalawang variable will be y and say. Balik tayo sa equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3. Pili lang tayo sa isa dyan. Kung ano yung pinakamadali, ang equation 2 ang napili natin. Copy natin yung equation number 2. 2x minus y plus 6 say equals 17. Then, the value ng y is 2 and the value ng say is 3. Then, 3x equals, distribute natin yung y, 2 plus 6, then times 3, then equals 17. 2x minus 2 plus 18, 6 times 3 is 18, equals 17. Then, pagsamahin natin, yun, negative 2 plus 18 will be 16, equals 17. Then, 2x, lipat natin sa kabilang side, will be 17 minus 16. Then, 2x equals to 1. Then, divide both sides by 2. The value of x is 1/2. X is 1/2, y compute with calculator naman tayo. Select the mode, press the 5, and press 2 para sa 4 na constant. Negative 4 equals, 3 equals, 7 equals, 25 equals. Then, second equation na tayo. 2 equals, negative 1 equals, 6 equals, 17 equals. Then, third equation. Negative 8 equals, negative 5 equals, 3 equals, negative 5 equals. Then, the value of x will be 1/2. And say is 2. Y is 2 and say is 3. Same as without the calculator. Next, here is equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3. We have the 3 equation using the elimination method. Copy the equation 1 and equation 2. para merong ma-i-cancel, yung equation 1 ay i-multiply natin by positive 2. Therefore, the equation 1 will be 4x plus 4y plus 6c equals 12. Then copy that second equation. Then 4x plus 4y minus 2c equals 4. Then i-minus natin the rest. Cancel 4x and 4y because same the equation 1 and equation 2. 6c minus negative 2c will be 8c. Then 12 minus 4 is 8. Divide both sides by c equals c equals to 1. Next, the equation 2 and equation 3, copy. Then nakopy na natin yung equation 3, i-multiply natin by both side by 2 and negative 2 pala. Then copy the second equation. Therefore, the equation 3 will be 4x plus negative 12y minus 2c equals negative 20. Copy natin yung second equation. Then cancel lang. The same kasi. Then cancel the 4x, negative 2y cancel. 4y minus negative 12y will be 16y. 4 minus negative 20 will be 24. 16, divide both sides by 16, y is equals to 3/2. Meron na tayong value ng c and the value of y. Then, balik tayo sa first equation, second, and third. Then, piliin natin yung equation 1. Copy natin equation 1, 2x plus 2y plus 3c, 3c equals 16. Then, the value of y is 32, 3/2. C will be 1. Then, distribute lang natin yung value ng y and c. 3x plus 3 times 3/2 plus 3 times 1 equals 6. Cancel natin yung 1 and cancel natin yung 2 because 3 times 2 divide 2 will be 3. 3x plus 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then 2x plus 6 equals 6. Then 2x equals 6 minus 6 will be 0. Then divide both sides by 2. Then x 0 divide 2 is 0. The x equals to 2 is 0. Again, compute natin with calculator. Select the mode, press 5 and press 2. Enter natin equation number 1. 2 equals 3 equals 6 equals. Then equation 2, enter lang natin. 4 equals negative 2 equals 4 equals. Then equation 3, negative 2 equals 6 equals 4, 1 equals 10 equals. Then the value of x will be 0 and y is 3/2 and c will be 1. Same lang sa